Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptote. So in the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x is equals -12. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So if you're talking about a rational function, the rational functions are in the format of a over b, right? So we have a numerator and the denominator. And the vertical asymptotes are all about the denominator. And in this given question, they indicated that this rational function has a vertical asymptote at x equals -12. This means that we must have an expression in the denominator of the rational function that is going to give you -12 when you solve for 0. So that means we will have x plus 12 in the denominator. Why? Because when I solve x plus 12 for 0 to find its vertical asymptote, I'm going to take away 12 from both sides. And x is -12, which is what indicated in the given question. So what I'm looking for is in the choices an expression with an x plus 12 in the denominator. In choice A, we don't have x plus 12 in the denominator, and I can go ahead and eliminate the choice A. In the choice B, x plus 12 is in the denominator, yes, and the x minus 8 cancel each other out. This final version of the fraction function becomes x minus 7 over x plus 12. That's why this will be the answer. And the choice C, we don't have x plus 12 in the denominator. I can go ahead and eliminate the choice C. And in the choice D, we have x minus 12, not the x plus 12. That's why I'm going to go ahead and eliminate the choice D as well. So our final answer is again the choice B for this specific question. This is how you solve this type of questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.